Cooking and eating are a part of every student's life, but finding easy and healthy recipes can be hard.
I felt so bad for them.
This is Eugene Alvarez, a 57-year-old Fresno State student who started uploading cooking videos on the Fresno State Book, Trade, and Advice Facebook group.
You need that brain food, and that helps for them to be successful. Fresno State says, okay, academics are a success. We're going to do this, we're going to do that so you can succeed. But what else helps them succeed is also eating right.
I just got finished making Alvarez's taco salad, which is not only tasty, but extremely easy to make. But don't just take my word for it. Ashley Glugy is a Fresno State student who has also made Alvarez's taco salad.
So with the taco salad, I actually had a lot of fun with it, and I definitely am putting that on my meal planning list, and I'm going to do it again.
So the next time you're looking for a quick and healthy meal to cook, take a look on Facebook to see some of Eugene Alvarez's cooking videos. In Clovis, Tasha Turner with Fresno State Focus.